Afternoon, everyone. It's a beautiful, spectacular day here in Brisbane, Australia. I hope wherever you are on the planet, you're having a great day. And for me, this is a Thursday. Hope your Thursday is spectacular. So, because I've been listening to so much information from light workers who are talking about our third eyes opening up here on the planet at the moment, I just wanted to do a quick little combination because our brow chakra connects to our zygomatic bone, our pubic bone. So they're sort of the trio, and our brow chakra is all about vision and truth, our intent, and our intuition. So, of course, those of us who are paying attention to that which is going on, this is opening up, it's buzzing, it's working. The sort of things that shut it down in our food supplies when we're eating a lot of stodgy, genetically modified food, there's heaps of glycophate. That stops our pineal from working. There's heaps of fluoride in our water. It's good to get some filter to take out the fluoride because that stops the pineal from working. The aluminium that is in the tinned food, if we're eating lots of tinned food, so aluminium is a source of shutting down our third eye, our pineal gland, our brow chakra. So that's the little guy that I wanted to work on this afternoon for us. So it's time to bring us all back to balance and just have the most spectacular day. So run your central meridian, get that energy going up into your conscious brain. So the meridian runs from the pubic bone to the chin, outside the body. So if we run that upwards, and breathe, shaker, shaker, shaker. And then I'll just hold the ESRs for a moment. Just get the energy to the frontal cortex. There's a little bit of energy going on in there. Interesting. Okay, nice. Then what I want to do is stack in the brow chakra, stack in the zygomatic bone is sort of behind into the eyes. In the movies when we see people, that's usually the zygomatic bone. And the pubic bone, that's the trio. So let's have a look. Okay, so is there an imbalance? Yes, there is. So is it in first stage stress, second stage stress, third stage stress, second stage? Okay, so it's in second stage. Sorry, so it's open, but it's energized. I think it's seeing and hearing everything at the moment sort of just makes the brain sometimes go, ah, what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? So anyway, that's okay, second stage. Okay, so what do we need to do? So shall I run amygdala? Yeah, okay, so we'll start with the amygdala. Okay, so when this is really overworking, it can be allowing too much information in. So as we've been talking about all year, when we hear big information, we need to raise our vibration. So just sort of... So this little area with the pineal gland, the pituitary, the hypothalamus, it's really important for that trio of oxytocin, serotonin, dopamine. So when our pleasure reward centers are being switched off deliberately, it's like the brain doesn't want us to relax. It doesn't want us to feel motivated. It wants us to sit in it, pay attention, know how dangerous it is, and then know what to do with it. But unfortunately, if we have too much energy, it gets exhausting. I'll just check that amygdala again. Okay, the fourth one down is the escape, submission, freeze, wanting to run away. Just stand in our power. So yeah, my brain's just thinking, you can't not know what you know. I wish I didn't know some of the stuff I know, but once it's there, it's there. But I suppose what we have to do is just know we know the big agenda. stand in our power, and the more people who know what we know, the less chance that these big agendas will happen. And the example I heard yesterday was that, just take Germany and Hitler for example. Hitler was only one person. It was millions of people standing by that potentially allowed things to happen. So when we look at what's going on, each of us on the planet, there will be choices. Recheck amygdala. Okay, so I'm going to put in that little trio again. Brow chakra, zygomatic bone, pubic bone. Okay, so now it's showing up. It's gone from second stage to first stage stress. So ESR oscillation chakra essence. So it's an essence. Okay, I'll grab that one. Okay. So Mountain Devil, it's one about anger and frustration. I'll just grab the affirmation. Yeah. Okay. How many drops? 7 drops. Okay. Okay. I am now open to universal love. I am now open to universal love. Yep, that's okay. I am now forgiving in all situations, now and always. I am forgiving in all situations, now and always. I am forgiving in all situations, now and always. Okay. Bit of escape, submission, freeze, wanting to run away. I release confusion. I release fragmentation. I choose vision, intent, truth, and intuition. I choose vision, intent, truth, and intuition. Okay, I'll stack in the little trio from the start. So wake up our little pineal gland, wakey wakey, brow chakra, brow, zygomatic, pubic bone. Okay, so that's all clear. Have a spectacular day. Love you. Bye.